Under 1.5 million, nearly 3,000 square feet with a private backyard and top-rated schools. Will you fall for it? Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Bothell, really convenient location. We're only a few minutes away to Costco, Thrasher's Corner, and a lot of shopping and restaurant. My first home when I moved to Seattle in 2012, my home was only 2 minutes away from this community. And this community was built in 2017. It's built by Lennar, one of the most reputational builders in the nation. And the home has almost 3,000 square feet inside, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a fully fenced backyard. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this 2017 suburban home. So once you come in through the front door, this is a pretty open and bright foyer. And then on the right-hand side, here is an office. I really like the size of it. Plus, it has a great big window and you can enjoy the view of the community. And now we have all the leaves turning red. That is a great view. And then coming in, here is the dining area. This is a very formal dining and you can easily fit in 10 to 12 seats here. Very spacious. And they have 2 windows on the top, bringing in a lot of natural light. And you can actually access the kitchen from that way. And let's take a look at the chef kitchen. So I really like the size of the kitchen. Great size central island, granite countertop, white cabinets, and they just put in the new fresh paint on the cabinet as well. And they have this gas stove and range hood, so if you love cooking, this is a great kitchen for you. They have backsplash, everything is super move-in ready condition. And here is the open concept family room. It is one of the biggest family rooms I have ever seen in this 3,000 square feet home. And you can easily fit in like a huge sectional couch, no problem. Of course, the focal point is this gas fire stove, and you have all those granite tile around it that matches the tile in the kitchen. Here we have great natural light, and then through this patio door, let's take a look at the backyard. So the home was built in 2017, doesn't have a huge backyard, but that means it is can be easily maintained. It has a patio right here, and you can enjoy this level but very private backyard. The fences are all new, so you can just, bring your luggage, your dog, your kids, and there you go. And now we're at the 2nd floor. So once you come up through the stairs, here are some windows on this side and a huge picture window on the other side. So great natural light. And this level you have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this bonus room. So let's take a look at this first. French door, and then coming in, this is a very spacious room. And you have a big window on the side looking at the community. And then great natural light. Of course, you can make it a media room if you want, or you can make it a playroom, gym, whatever, however you want to make it. This is a great space. And now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. So again, French door coming in, this is a huge primary bedroom as well. So new paint, new carpet. Through this window, you can look at the view of the community as well, and the whole room feels very bright. And here is the primary bathroom. So again, before we put it on the market, the seller puts in brand new tiles and the countertop is quartz. So the whole space feels very modern and practical. Here is a shower room, and then this side is a huge bathtub. So when you are using the bathtub, they have this privacy window. You don't need to worry about too much when you are using it. So that's very good design. And then here is a walk-in closet. Of course, you can put in more shelves, drawers, so that can help you utilize this space better. So after touring this home, I really like the layout of it because it has a good sized office on the main floor. You can also make it a guest bedroom if you need to. And then they have a formal dining and very open concept for the kitchen and family room. And the second level, you have a huge bonus room as well. The whole house feels very bright, abundant natural light, and good privacy. And we just put this home on the market at 1.48 million. If you like it, if you're interested, come and join us during the open houses. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.